Hello WABAM U. Tonight we talk about WABAM Vanish, our multi-purpose cleaner. Multitude of different options here for Vanish. We can go from scrubbing floors to cleaning shops to neutralizing salt levels. It'll cut the pH levels down. All kinds of stuff. Just an absolute great product. And when we talk about, the salt neutralizing, we can go from the south where we're boating in the ocean. We got salt water coming in, the motor on the boat, trailers, etc. Then we go to the north and we talk about snowmobiles, plows, driving through the slop. Well, here's your baby. Let's neutralize those salt pH levels. So what we can do, a couple different ways to apply it. We can put it in a simple spray bottle. If we're now in the house, you want to clean countertops, all that, put it in a spray bottle, run it that way. If we're talking about washing trucks, trailers, the boats, etc., we can go from either a pump sprayer, dilute it out in a garden pump sprayer, spray it on the areas that have the salt dried up, and then you'd wash on top of that. It'll just eat at those levels and loosen up all that salt. Or we can run it in our foam cannon, MTM Hydro, the snow machine. We could put it in that, and you could foam up this whole thing and get it to go that way too. Otherwise, easy, simple way is a bucket too. Take your bucket out, a little bit in there, use a mop when we're cleaning the concrete, any kinds of floors. Oh yeah, I think I forgot to mention, you can even run it in your floor scrubber. So, all different options to use Vanish, from the floor scrubber to just a simple mop to a spray and wipe application. So, Vanish is our multi-purpose cleaner. Check it out.